Good morning, folks. Today we're going to be looking ahead to an expected uptick in geomagnetic activity. We'll check in on two sets of tropical storm systems. We'll look at new changes in the Earth's atmosphere and a superflare on a sun-like star. We are starting with the last 24 hours on the sun, and we find that once again there were no big flares or CMEs, but top left, we do see a large dark feature incoming. That's the coronal hole. It's double lobe, basically stretching from the north polar crown down to near the solar equator. It is surrounded by thin dark plasma filaments, and it appears that there are bright active regions behind it. The coronal hole solar wind stream will be coming in Earth's direction this weekend, and we'll be watching those filaments around it for eruptive behavior. Folks, we've got two storms straddling the Americas again. Tammy in the Atlantic is heading for Bermuda, while Otis in the eastern Pacific is approaching Mexico. Another storm impact for their west coast on deck here this week. We also have twin storms in the Indian Ocean, one already impacting the Middle East and the other in the Bay of Bengal. Prayers for everyone in the path of all of these tropical systems. Up next, we have an excellent study showing new extremes of water vapor thrust upward into the stratosphere by thunderstorms. The upward component of the global electric circuit and the convective upflow are combining to produce this record data. Those upward flow components have been expected to amplify with the ongoing Earth changes. And there they are. Last but not least, we have another sun-like star putting on a super flaring display. This one is much younger than our sun and a bit more rambunctious, releasing an X.24.2023 flare. While our sun likely can't pull off that at this age, it does reinforce the common belief that stars like ours can still fire X1000 events. And a reminder, the cycles of super flaring on the sun are due to reset this century.